In this video, we're putting two popular platforms for creators head to head. It's Selfie versus Pensight. Which one is the ultimate tool for you to sell your products and services online? Stay tuned to find out. Let's start with Selfie. Selfie is an easy to use platform made for creators who want to sell online. Think of it as your own online store but without the hard stuff. You can sell products, you can sell digital products like ebooks, music, or online courses. You can also sell physical items and even print on demand merchandise like t shirt and mugs. The cool part is, Selfie handles a lot of the technical things for you. You don't need to be a computer expert to set up your store. It's designed to be simple so you can start selling in just a few minutes. You can get a customized storefront that you can make look like just like your brand. Plus, Selfie gives you tools to help you market your products. So, are you ready to build your online empire? Selfie might be the key. With Selfie, you can sell products in subscriptions. This is the main reason to use Selfie. You have so many options. You can sell almost anything you create. Do you write ebooks or create online courses? Selfie is perfect for that. Are you a musician selling your latest tracks? You can do that too. The platform handles file delivery for you. For artists, there is a cool print on demand feature. You can put your art on t shirts, hoodies, and mugs. When someone buys, Selfie prints and ships it. You don't have to worry about inventory. A really great feature is subscriptions. You can charge your customers weekly, monthly, or yearly. This is amazing for creating steady income. It's a game changer for many creators. Imagine getting paid every month for your content. This feature alone makes Selfie very powerful. Next is the store builder. Getting your store online is incredibly fast with Selfie. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be a designer. Selfie makes it all so simple. How simple, you ask? You can have a professional looking store in just 5 minutes. You can add your own logo. You can change the colors to match your brand. You can even use your own website address. This helps your customers trust you more. The store is also smart. It automatically translates to the customer's language. This is great for selling to people all over the world. And it looks good on any device. Whether your customer is on a computer or a phone, your store will look amazing. This makes it easy for them to buy from you. A store that is easy to use means more sales. Next is the built in marketing features. Selling is not just about having a store, you need to tell people about it. Selfie helps you with that too. It has marketing tools built right in. This is a huge time saver. You can create discount codes to get more sales. Everyone loves a good deal, right? You can also send emails to your customers. Let them know about new products or special offers. There is a very smart feature for abandoned carts. If someone leaves without buying, Selfie sends them a reminder email. This can bring back a lot of lost sales. You can also run ads on Facebook and Twitter. Selfie helps you track how well your ads are doing. Want your fans to help you sell? You can start your own affiliate program. Your fans get paid for bringing you new customers. It's like having your own sales team. Last but not least, they have reliable payments and world class security. When you sell online, you need to be safe. Your customers need to feel safe too. Selfie takes this very seriously. They offer reliable and secure payment options. You can accept payments from all over the world. It works with PayPal and Stripe. These are two of the biggest and most trusted payment companies. This means your customers can pay with their credit card or PayPal account. The checkout process is smooth and secure. Selfie is PCI DSS ready. That's a fancy way of saying they meet the highest security standards. Your customer's payment information is always protected. For those selling digital files like PDFs, there is an extra layer of security. Selfie automatically adds the buyer's email to each page. This helps prevent people from sharing your files illegally. You can sell with peace of mind. Now, no platform is perfect. Selfie has a lot of great things going for it. But there is one thing you should know. Because it is so easy to use, it might not be for everyone. What do I mean by that? If you're looking for very deep customization, you might find it a bit limited. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce offer more advanced options. With those, you can change almost every little detail of your store, but they are also much harder to learn. Selfie focuses on simplicity. It gives you what you need to start selling quickly. It does not have a huge app store like some other platforms. So, if you need a very specific or unusual feature, you might not find it here. Think of it like this: Selfie is like a brand new car that is ready to drive. Other platforms are like a car kit that you have to build yourself. The kit car can be customized more, but it takes a lot more work. Now, let's talk about the price. How much does it cost to use Selfie? The good news is you can try it for free. They offer a 14-day free trial. You don't even need a credit card to start. This is a great way to see if it is right for you. After the trial, the starter plan starts at $22 per month. But here is a very important detail. Selfie charges 0% transaction fees. This is a big deal. Some other platforms take a cut for every sale you make. With Selfie, you keep all the money you earn from your sales. Of course, you still have to pay the standard fee from PayPal or Stripe, but Selfie does not add any extra fees on top of that. Considering all the features you get, the price is very competitive. It's an affordable way to start your own online business. So, who should use Selfie? This platform is really built for creators. If you are an artist, a writer, a musician, or designer, you will feel right at home. It is for people who want to sell their work directly to their fans. You don't need a lot of technical skills. If you can use social media, you can use Selfie. It is perfect for beginners who are just starting out. It is also great for creators who have an existing audience. Maybe you have a popular blog or YouTube channel. Selfie makes it easy to start selling to your followers. It's for people who value their time. You can set up your own store quickly and focus on what you do best, creating. If you want an all-in-one solution that is simple, beautiful, and powerful, then Selfie is for you. It takes away the stress of selling online. It lets you connect with your audience and build a real business. Now, let's talk about Pensight. Pensight is an online platform made for creators and coaches. Think of it as your own personal online store, but for your knowledge. It's a link in bio tool that does so much more. You get one single link to put in your social media bios. What happens when someone clicks that link? That's where the magic starts. This link takes them to your beautiful Pensight page. Here, you can sell everything in one place. We're talking digital products, online courses, and even one-on-one coaching sessions. It brings all your business tools together. No more jumping between different websites to manage your work. It's designed to be super easy, even if you're not a tech genius. You could build your online business in just a few minutes. It's all about making your life simpler so you can focus on creating. Now let's talk about some of its top features. First one, you can sell digital products. Selling digital products has never been this easy. Are you ready to make money while you sleep? Pensight lets you sell things like ebooks, guides, and templates effortlessly. You can upload your files directly to Pensight or just link to them from somewhere else. The setup is incredibly fast, letting you launch a new product in minutes. But how do you get more sales? Pensight gives you powerful tools to help you grow. You can create special discount codes to attract more customers. Want to sell even more? Use the upsell feature at checkout to offer another related product. It's a simple trick that can boost your income. Plus, every time someone buys from you, Pensight saves their email. This helps you build your email list automatically. Imagine the possibilities with a growing list of loyal customers. Have you ever thought about creating your own online course? With Pensight, you can finally do it. It gives you all the tools to build and sell beautiful, structured courses. You can organize your content into chapters and lessons, making it easy for students to learn. And you're not limited in what you can add. Put in unlimited videos, text, images, and downloadable files. Want to build excitement before someone buys? You can let potential students preview a few lessons for free. A little taste can lead to a big purchase. You can also release your course content over time using the drip feature. This keeps students engaged and coming back for more. And the best part? You can interact with your students directly through comments in each lesson. Building a community has never been so simple. What if your email marketing was built right into your store? Pensight makes this a reality, and it's a total game changer. Forget paying for a separate email service. With the Pro plan, you get unlimited contacts and can send unlimited emails. This feature alone can save you hundreds of dollars, but it gets even better. You can set up powerful automated email sequences. When someone downloads your free guide, you can automatically send them a series of emails. These emails can build trust and eventually offer them your paid course. It's like having a sales team that works for you 24/7. You can also send email broadcasts to your whole list at once. This is perfect for announcing a new product or a special sale. And you can track everything: opens, clicks, and more. This is how you turn followers into paying customers. Now, no platform is perfect, and Pensight has a downside. What's the one thing that might hold you back? The biggest disadvantage is the limited customization. If you are a creator who wants complete control over the look and feel of your store, you might feel a bit restricted. The platform is designed for simplicity and ease of use. This means you can change every little detail like you could on your own website. The template for courses and landing pages are great, but they are still templates. You can't build a fully custom website or complex sales funnel within Pensight. For that, you would need other tools. Also, some users have noted that the customer support is mainly available during UK business hours, which could be a problem for users in other parts of the world. Now let's talk about the money. How much does all of this cost? Pensight's pricing is actually very straightforward, which is a big plus. They have a Pro plan, which is $29 per month. This plan gives you access to almost all the amazing features we've talked about, including email marketing and landing pages. The best part? Pensight charges 0% transaction fees on its paid plans. This is a huge deal. Many other platforms take a cut of every sale you make, but Pensight doesn't. You only have to pay the standard Stripe or PayPal processing fee. This means more of your hard-earned money stays in your pocket. For those who need even more, there is a Biz plan for $99 per month with dedicated support. Pensight is perfect for coaches, consultants, and experts who want to sell their services and knowledge online. If you're a fitness coach, a business consultant, a therapist, or any type of creator who offers one-on-one or group sessions, Pensight is designed for you. It's also great for creators who are active in social media and want a powerful link in bio tool to direct their followers to their paid offerings. So, which one is right for you? If you're a creator who wants to build a full online store to sell a variety of digital and physical products, Selfie is a fantastic option. It gives you the tools to create a beautiful and powerful e commerce website. But if you're a coach or consultant who primarily sells services and knowledge, Pensight is a game changer. Its all in one link in bio and built in coaching tools make it incredibly easy to run your business. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs as a creator. We hope this comparison has helped you make a decision. Let us know in the comments which platform you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one.